Hey guys, we are still picking away at the 1960 Impala here, and I thought today maybe we'd have a few minutes and we do a small little piece of the puzzle here. We'll have a quick look. I've started installing the major repair on this side of the car, and we'll get to that on the weekend. But these are the pans that go underneath the rear bumper, and this one, believe it or not, these are the best I had. So I thought maybe today, because we have only a limited time, we would repair this guy, and we'll see how that goes. It's not too bad other than this corner, and so I think we got to do some dent mitigation there as well. Let's get this thing sorted out. We'll start by kind of hammering it close, just close enough that whatever I make on the side here is going to fit properly. And then we'll make a pattern and whistle that guy up. Should be fun. Okay, again, not trying to get it perfect right now, just want to get it so that there's no stress in the shape of it really. So we got that pretty big one right there. Another big softy there. That's now roughed out enough that we can start the actual repair. I see there's a tear in it here. We're just going to go right down there. That'll be good enough. Just got to get past, there's a rust hole there. So we're going to come something like that, just take that corner and kind of get it back together here. See here, we try to lay that tape pattern flat. It wants to stick up, so we're just going to gently stretch that. Once we make sure that we got her going the right way, yes, we're going to flip it over, stretch that out in there, but not too much. just whatever. Give her a little whatever. Now, just going to curl it to match that. Okay, close enough to get started. Okay, I'm going to clamp it on there, make our final marks for the folding. It's pretty close, actually. Not, well, I guess you would hope it would be, but anyway. So, I'm going to put a quick line on here so that next time we know where we got to mount it up. Okay, so we'll take it off, we'll make that fold, that fold, that fold, and then we'll check it again, and if it's close, we're going to put it on. Okay, that's so close. Next, the last bend we got to make is this one here. So we'll do that. Same thing. Pliers and hammering, I guess. Maybe this wrench could be a little bigger. Okay. Right. Well, that's got to slide down a little bit, but it's pretty close. So we'll do that. Okay, close enough. Let's weld it. Okay, we'll have a look in a minute here. There she is. What's going on, little dog? Well, there we have the repair, and well, I guess we have to say it's probably the best part of this panel now. Nothing fancy, but you know, that kind of repair can be done easily, quickly, and needs virtually no body work, and that's ready to go. Now for the other 8,000 repairs that the car needs. Nevertheless, very content with that, and it was a nice break from that quarter panel, which is a nightmare job. We'll be getting back to this guy on the weekend, so stay tuned if you like. And there's one piece off the list. We'll just throw it in here with all the other broken crap. And that one's not as bad. That might have been the only one that was really rusty. I don't know. There's a lot of stuff in here. All these pieces have to be fixed, straightened, and welded to the car at some point. What you doing, little dog? You have a leaf in your head. You don't care, hey? Oh, you look silly. Look at, what was that? Hey? Good girl. Well, wanna go for a walk? Let's go. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching the old show today. We'll see everybody on the weekend. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not, or double check if you think you are. Very much appreciated. And we'll see everybody on Saturday. We got more Impala and more junkers, and you know, more of the regular contributor.
Same old shit.